In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn photo into cartoon in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva and make sure the photo you want to edit is already placed on the canvas. This makes the process much smoother because you can immediately preview how the effect looks in the context of your design. Once your design is open, click on the image you want to turn into a cartoon. It's important to select the actual photo first because Canva only shows image editing options when a photo is active. If nothing happens when you try the next step, double check that the image is selected and not just the page, background, or another element. Now go to the top toolbar and click Edit. This will open Canva's editing tools and effects panel, where you can access different visual styles for your image. If you're new to Canva, this is where many of the creative image adjustments live, so it's a useful area to get familiar with. After that, look over to the left-hand panel and find the Style Match section. When you see it, click See All. This expands the full set of available styles so you can browse more options instead of only seeing a few suggestions. Taking this extra step helps you locate the exact look you want. Next, scroll through the available styles until you find cartoon, then click on it. Canva will begin applying that style to your selected image. Depending on your internet speed or the size of the photo, this may take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. While the effect is being processed, you should see a loading indicator appear on the Style tile. That's your sign that Canva is working on the transformation. It's best to wait until the loading finishes before clicking around too much, just to avoid interrupting the process. Once the style has finished applying, your photo should now appear with the cartoon effect. Take a moment to check the result and make sure it matches the look you were hoping for. Since the effect is applied directly to the selected image, you'll be able to see right away whether it fits the design you're creating. And that's it. That's how you turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva.